kind of close to the boat. Choked it. Now he got it down his mouth, got it in his gills. Keep him in the water as much as possible. Get this thing unhung. Not a bad fish there. And see, not bleeding. If you can see this, he's swimming away. Let's see if I can get some of it. There's coagulated blood floating around. That's how fast their blood will coagulate with just lake water. Everybody likes throwing Sprite and Mountain Dew and all types of stuff on them, but water is probably the best coagulant for a bass that's bleeding. That's my tip. Give it a shot. Sometimes you just gotta fillet them. GoPro, stop recording.